Hi everyone, in this video let's see how to create context variables in a talent job and how we can pass those context variables externally using a delimiter file. First we need to create context variables in the context tab of your talent job. Suppose I want to process a file from a directory. So I want to give the input directory as one of my context variable and input file as another context variables in my talent job. Let's use a T file input delimited. Here we have to mention the path. So if you look at this is the default path the talent has generated. Here they have the directory and the file name. Till here it's directory and the file name is in.csv. So let's replace this with context variables. So first we have to give context. To use a context variable you have to give context dot then the variable name. If you do control space it will give all the context variables that are available in your job. First let's give the input directory, then I'm concatenating directory with the file name. So now we get the whole path of the file including directory and the file name. Let's make this field separator as also a context variables. Let's create delimiter. To use this we have to give context dot delimiter. You can also give header and footer. Header and footer. These values both header and footer are integer type, so we have to change the context data type for these two context. It's integer. Now header and footer both are integers in the context. Let's use them. Let's use both context variables here. Context dot header, context dot footer. By using these context variables we can make our job configurable. So we can give the file path externally like input directory and input file name. If the file has one header and no footer, so we'll give those details in the file. Let's see how we can do that. It's better to read context from a file in the pre-job. That way the first step would be assigning the values to context variables, then it runs all other steps. Let me give T pre-job. So I want to read these context variables from a file now. First we have to list out all the context variables we have here in the job. Input directory, input file, delimiter, header, footer. I want to use this input.txt as my input file. So the file path would be this one, user desktop input. This is the file I created for configuration. So here we have input directory, input file, delimiter, header and footer. So we are defining these values outside of the job. So we have to read this file first to get all the values. Then job will assign these values wherever they are. Then it run the job. To load this file into our job, let's use tfile input delimited, and we have to define the path here. Configuration file path here, and our separator is equals to, we don't have header or footer, so here configuration file separator is equals to. Then use tcontext load to load values from this file to job. Tcontext load have schema key value, so we need to have key value. In our configuration file, input directory is key and the value is value. To read this file, we are using tfile input delimited, and let's print that to console using tlogro. First name, last name, age. So our file would be input directory plus input file, that is the whole path of the file, and the delimiter is comma, it has comma, and it has header, and the header value is 1 now. Now let's run the job and see. So the job is able to read the file, and it is printing all the records from that file. There is a way whether all the context variables are loaded or not into job. To check that, we can use tcontext dump and put tlogro. Let's select table. So if we run the job, it will show you what are the values assigned to each context variable in the job. If you see here, so input file value is this one and delimiter is this and all other values also. Suppose your delimiter value is changed from comma to pipe. In this case, you just have to change your delimiter here in the config file. You don't need to change anything in your job. Let's run it. Do you see? Even we didn't make any changes to the job ran successfully because it is reading the delimiter value from the configuration file here. This is how we load context variables from a file to the job. Thank you for watching.